Good morning. I got Wes here today. He came out on us on 1 or 2 recoveries last year, and we are headed out where, as you can see, we're not supposed to be headed out, but this is a snowmobile trail for the winter. And yesterday morning, I believe it was, a guy was up here. I think he was getting a Christmas tree out on some other roads, got kind of crossed up and ended up on this trail a couple miles farther out, and then burned up his clutch. So now we are going to take the track Jeep out and we'll see if we can get him out of there. And we do, for all the people who like to, get mad when I go somewhere I shouldn't, we do have permission from the Forest Service to go get the guy and the Sheriff's Department, and the groomers actually came up and groomed this trail really good for us to give us the best shot of getting him out, because it's a Jeep JK, I believe, so it's heavier than mine is, and it has no ability to drive on its own. So we're gonna head down. The guy hopefully is down there waiting for us and see what we can do.
See what happens.
Yeah. I just felt like in front of that sign was the appropriate place to do the intro.
Yeah, well, I mean, it's good so the people know.
Yeah,
if anybody decides they want to come out here.
Yeah, don't. So the groomer operator who was out here last night, he said he was gonna just groom the heck out of the trail all the way to the pickup and pack it in as best he could to give us the best chance of getting it out. And I would say he did a very nice job of that, because we aren't even sinking in an inch here, so it's hard as a rock. Here's some snowshoers who are going to be very confused.
Probably not going to be happy, but
how's it going? So she was smiling, he looked very confused. So I'm guessing we just follow the groomer tracks.
I'd say that's a pretty safe assumption.
And it should take us right to it.
Yeah. Such a beautiful day for it.
Yeah.
What'd you say? Nothing?
Well, I'm not going to say that confidently till we're out, but luckily, if that's the Jeep we're after, which it should be, because there shouldn't be any other Jeeps out here,
He doesn't look very
I
stuck.
don't think we're going to have any problem towing him out of here. Hopefully. I know better than to say that, though. Nice one. Oh, I should probably clean the window, huh? Oh, that made it so much worse. Terrible idea. Does it start to run?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Just nothing here. So you can roll it.
Okay, so you have steering, brakes, all that.
Yeah, everything's good.
Okay.
Just any gear you're going through, you can let the clutch pull you out.
Okay, so I should have no problem towing you out of here.
Yeah,
Just in
yep.
neutral. What tire pressure you at?
I'm at like 20.
Okay. This is super hard packed. The groomer did a really good job.
Yeah,
So-
again, Dan or Don, super nice guy.
So we'll leave it at that. If it starts to break into this and sink in too bad, we'll just air down some and then keep going. So
Sweet.
Looks pretty easy, bud.
shut up. I'm gonna spin around and we'll go. So if I title this Jeeps on a Snowmobile Trail, do you think I'll get a bunch of views from pissed off snowmobilers?
Yeah.
We might have to try that.
Whenever you want, you can drive.
You can drive. Yeah. So of course, we gotta know the story of how you ended up out here.
Yeah, so we came out of Sun River on Conklin. We're coming up Conklin, looking for a tree, having fun out there. And then we were probably halfway in between, so I got going this way, because it was pretty gnarly back that way. And the road wasn't bad, because we were in tracks all the way till we hit 400. And once we hit 400, we were pushing snow up here. And then I went probably 150 feet down that trail up here
to get to this spot.
Flew about there, and I didn't want to block that road. So I tried to get as far up here as possible. And then, yeah, sat here for 2 days.
2 days?
Yeah, so I was out here yesterday. I called off-road recovery portal. It was like the first one that popped up on Google.
Oh yeah.
And they sent somebody out, and he basically got stuck by the time he was out here. So then he got out, talked to the cat guy. He ran real quick, got me your contact, talked to the sheriff, got set up with you, and then skied back out this morning.
Well, they did a good job on this. I don't think it'll be any trouble just towing you out of there. So cool. So 2 days and recovery attempt number 2.
Yes. Well, it might be even 3 because the cat was supposed to pull me out last night, but he, again, probably was more frustrated with me than anything. But like, go again. Go again. So yeah.
All right. Well, you go ahead and hop in.
Cool. Just neutral.
You'll just leave it in neutral and steer. And if it starts to like slack up the rope, just give a little on the brake to keep the rope tension so you don't run over it.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Sounds good, guys. Thank you.
Stuff is packed down pretty good, but off to the side. Woo!
Are the brakes frozen? Is that a possibility?
Possibly, yeah. So we just found out it doesn't have any brakes. That's why it's over in the ditch now. So,
Great time to find out.
Thank you for picking the ditch and not the back of my Jeep.
Oh yes. Yep.
So yeah, we'll pull this. Hi, how's it going?
Good.
So yeah, we'll pull that off from under there and then see if the e-brake works.
Yeah.
Go for that. So stand back, and I'll just pull it out with this, and it's going to shoot out of there some. I don't think it's going to hurt it in the snow and ice. All right. You know that groomer is going to come back here and be like, I made them this nice big trail and they drove in the ditch.
Drove off the ditch. Hey, it's all right. I'll take whatever criticism I get. Make mistakes.
Yeah, it happens.
Yeah.
Well, no brakes is fun.
Yeah.
Remember when I said it looked easy?
Yeah, because that was my worry. I sat under there yesterday waiting for the tow truck just chipping ice from the inside of this wheel, and it's like baked in there.
So go ahead and like, do you have like pressure on the pedal? Like it's there, or is it just straight to the floor? Oh, yeah, they're there.
They're there, yeah.
Yeah, okay. So let's pull you out of here and see if the e-brake works.
Cool.
And if it doesn't, head for the ditch again. And then we'll figure out how to do this slowly and carefully.
Yeah.
Remember that? Oh, this is easy.
Yeah, I know. I jinxed us.
I think I said the same thing too, but. We'll get you to the top. I'll go behind and hook on you from behind and lower you down basically so that you don't just go cruising.
Right,
yeah. So
hey, you're the man, dude.
all right, let's go see how it goes. There. Now there's drama, so everybody could be happy.
No brakes, no problem. It down really nice though, because even in the even walking you can feel it's pretty damn packed.
Whoever was running the groomer last night and groomed this for us, thank you. You made this, I don't want to say easy yet, but you definitely made this much easier for us. That's a huge help. Thank you. Because if I say it's easy, then we're going to get totally screwed up somehow. That's just how it goes. This poor lady with her dog keeps like catching up, going by, catching up. Sorry. Okay, try to speed up a little. Okay, we're coming over the top of the hill, so we are going to stop and see if he has brakes and if he wants me to go behind him or stay in front. Just on your foot brake?
Foot brake.
Okay, so they're just iced over.
Yeah, I'm thinking so. I mean, I'll try it again if we just try it for they're like 20 feet. I'll really jump on it and see if it'll slow it down.
Okay, and if you pull me to a stop,
yep.
Well, I'll put my hand out so that I'm ready for it. Then you hit the brakes, and if you pull me to a stop, I know we're good to go down the hill.
Sweet, dude.
And if you hit the ditch, then we'll come up with a new plan.
I love it.
Tire locked up.
Yep, we good. Alright, so his brakes are working now. I think they're just frozen over. So we're gonna head down the hill and I'm gonna stay in front of him.
And hopefully he doesn't come through your back end.
Thanks to previous experience back there, I know that he thinks to hit the ditch and not me, so I'm okay with this.
Yeah.
The good thing is, like, he's not breaking into the trail at all, so like we're not hurting the trail. I was worried about leaving big old ruts all the way out the trail, but like look at our traction coming in. We barely left any tracks on it even. So the skiers and the snowshoers and snowmobilers, so they're all good. He's doing a very good job of keeping the rope tension going down the hill, but not like dragging me backwards. So he's doing good. It is nice out here.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, really nice day. This job doesn't suck.
So you to go home and grab your tow truck and tow him out of here?
No, I've got other things to do later. He said he's going to set up a tow through his roadside assistance because they'll pick him up from the side of the highway,
but not off the
they
highway.
ain't going to pick him up out there. So, so I'll get him to there, and then like one of the other toggers that Consolidated or someone like them will probably come out, and get him.
So no GoPro, huh?
They're too unreliable.
Yeah.
Like GoPro, like you push the record button and you have to like double and triple check that it's actually recording. Sometimes it'll turn on and record, sometimes it'll turn on and not record, sometimes it won't turn on.
So instead you switch to the what?
DJI.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Like the DJI, like when I push the record button on the DJI, it's recording. That's that. It's that simple.
Yeah. This is not a sponsored ad, right?
No, but DJI, hey, listen, if you would like to kick down some camera gear for some reviews, I could tell people how good they really are instead of just that quick little bit right there. That's what you call a teaser.
Stop and get out.
Oh, we'll go look at where we can park him up there first.
Okay.
All right, we'll walk up and look and see where we can park you up there.
Okay,
and then figure out where we're going to pull you up into. So,
That is my Subaru in front of me, so if you want to do
oh,
that,
okay.
can.
Well, how about right here now that that car left?
Beautiful.
So,
Love it.
all right. Perfect.
You guys are amazing.
That worked really well. You owe whoever that groomer is lunch because he made that very easy.
I tried to help him out last night, but he couldn't take cash, I guess.
No, that worked really well.
Hey, so they're trying to tell me that you work volunteer only.
Yeah.
What's somebody normally support you with a recovery like that?
Whatever you want.
Cool.
Yep, no charge, but whatever you want, it's up to you.
How's it going?
Good, how are you doing?
Sorry, you didn't mean to move. I thought it was.
No, you're good. No, you're fine. You're good.
Yeah. Thanks, man.
Yes.
I watch your stuff online all the time, right?
Thank you. Well, now you get to see it live.
I know. I was like, oh shit, that's pretty much trailers for us.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh. Thank you, buddy.
Thank you.
Very much.
No problem.
Yeah.
Oh, you got tow set up for Anthony?
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna get a truck on the way.
Perfect.
Yeah.
All right, you're all set then?
Yeah. Thank you guys very much.
No problem. We'll get loaded up and
Hopefully we'll see you in another situation, not
Yeah.
getting totally behind you.
yeah, you're fine. Take care, man.
Hey, thank you.
Well, that went good. Yeah. The no brake thing worried me for a bit, but it worked out. Yank them rope, nice and easy. Just pull them on out. So I totally misjudged the amount of space that was here. Can you move yours up a little bit? It's like, no, I got it. I don't got it. Not even close. The guy's really nice too. He's like, you want me to move it back so you have more room? No, it's fine.
And he's gone.
He gone. Never said I was good at this.
Yeah.
I think I can make this work.
I hope so. I'll be concerned that you're rescuing people in the middle of nowhere if you can't make it work. And I mean that in the nicest way possible.
I'm concerned about my rescue capability in the middle of nowhere like every time. I'd say that went good.
I'd say it went great.
All right, so we're gonna get tied down. We're gonna get out of here. Everybody say thank you to Wes for filming, because that always helps out. And we'll see what else there's to do. Hope you enjoyed that, and see you on the next one.